asparagus, Miso Sabayon, pistachios, and Shiso. Miso in it. We're looking for that umami. Next we have our Dashi, Mirin, sugar, and egg yolks. And once it's all together, we'll bring it over to the heat and start cooking. We have boiling water. This is when we have indirect heat, so we don't scramble the egg yolks. We just want to whisk away for about 10 to 15 minutes. Our sauce is going to be nice ready for the vegetables. I'm looking for the butter to turn a little bit brown so we can toast this later on. The sauce is got a little rock out just a little bit. I like this right here. We have our crunchy toasted pistachios, and then we're going to add some lime juice for acid. We have our baby Shiso.